tailgate of my dad's truck.
Terrible. It's absolutely terrible. Alright, come on. What a loser. This guy sucks.
Damn, man. Yes. No way. Okay, good. I was gonna say. Be out here with the stripes. He's got it. He's got it. Look at that. Good job. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Come on. What is this? What? Can I see that again? Yeah. Damn.
15, 20 years.
Two-handed.
First strike in 20 years. That first turkey in 20 years.
No,
This is the first turkey in
this
like
guy
20
sucks.
years.
Look at the scores here. He's
Still in the lead.
151, and then this not Gandalf guy is in the lead with 75. What a loser. Alright, here he goes. God. Jesus, you suck.
I'm slacking tonight. Just when the camera gets out, man. Come on. Oh, yep. Not good. Oh, that's better. Look at that.
Picked up his bear.
Damn.
Something you can't even do.
Shut up. I'm working on it. Alright, be working on a 4-bagger right here. See if he does a 4-bagger. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, damn.
Come on, B. You had it.
He's catching up. I gotta have a good night. Wait, this is the 10th. Never mind. Shit. I got it in the books. No worries. Your boy Jimbo can win. You beat your highest score though, B. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, you got the spare. He's got good count. He's got good count. But he beat his highest score though. His highest score was a 113. And he's working on a 126 with a spare. Oh, 132 updated.
Get the third to strike.
Oh. Hey, that still pins. Holy crap, dude. Is that 139? Wow.
Is that your new highest
That's
score?
highest.
That's my highest score in the last 10 years.
Yeah.
Here's 10th frame. This guy sucks. Come on, you gotta get the spare. What a... No. He sucks. He sucks.
I'm in the lead. I need to get 9 pins. Wait. How many? I like
What a good shot. Good job.
Oh man, terrible. He goes out with a stride. Seriously? This is a bad news Brown.